In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the belt idler pulley on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to get on the tensioner pulley. We're going to take the tension off of the belt. I'm going to pull the belt off of the alternator pulley. Our tensioner is pretty toasted. This should try to pull back on you. Ours is stuck, so it's just going to stay in that position. I'm going to pull the belt up and off of our idler pulley. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep the belt in contact with as many of the pulleys as possible. We're going to put the belt off to the side. Using a 14mm socket, remove the bolt for the idler pulley. Remove the bolt and the pulley. Install the idler pulley. Torque the idler pulley bolt to 32 foot-pounds. Pull the belt back over. Pull the belt back over into position. Right now we have the belt fully installed. If your tensioner is good, it's going to be putting tension on this belt, and you will not be able to put it on all of the pulleys like we just did. Instead, you're going to have to use that 14mm on the tensioner. You're going to pull the tension off the tensioner, save one pulley to put the belt on. Once you pull the tension, go ahead and install the belt over that one last pulley, and then take the tension off. Once you have the belt fully installed, you can let the tension off of the tensioner, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.